Hello guys, and welcome back to another tutorial. In this video I will show you how to swap faces in any picture that you're having. So for me, I'm gonna choose a picture of this player in here, and let's say we want to change it with another one, which is something like let's pick these ones. These ones are better because kind of they are looking at the same, like they are looking to you in the same way, and this one is like half of his face is showing up, but these two are like similar. So now how can we, for example, replace this face on Missy's body? First of all, we need to get rid of Missy's face. We did a tutorial about how to cut off or select specific objects without touching the background, so make sure to watch it after this video. Now let's remove the lock from this picture and go back to this one and remove the lock from it as well. Now we come here and we pick this quick selection tool and we select Missy's face. We try to select only his face, as you can see, and now we click on cut. As you can see, now it has been cut. So now we can come here and select the other guy face and click on cut again, and from here we can drag it and place it on Missy's body. We make sure that the quality stays the same, or at least keep some of it to create uncovered smart objects, and then we put his face on here. Of course, his neck is not really fitted in, so we click on control and we keep moving it around until it fits inside Missy's body. But you can't really make it perfect because for example, if you want to make it perfect, you can do something like that, like cutting this part and like copying it and really do this, something like that. But after all, it needs a lot of work to make it look so perfect. And for the same for the other guy, if we want to place this face of Missy on the other guy face, we can just drag Missy, and after that we hide his face and we drag Missy, make his face look smaller, and we put his neck in here. We can remove his neck a little bit from it by raising it. Let's make it a little bit smaller. Okay, and just like that, Missy is now on his body. So that was the tutorial for today, guys. Please, if you enjoyed it, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.